Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to lock iPhone or iPad for tracing. So if you want to lock your iPhone or iPad for tracing in case it's lost or stolen, follow this step to secure it and track its location. So the first step is to enable find my iPhone before losing it. Then open settings, then tap your Apple ID, your name at the top, then select my phone, then click my phone and then click find my phone, then turn on find my phone networks, and also send the last location. Then on step 2, mark the device as lost if already lost. Then for you to do that, open find my app on other Apple device, or go to icloud.com/find, then select your lost iPhone/iPad from the list, then tap mark as lost or lost mode on iCloud, then enter phone number where you can be reached. Then after that, add a custom message, e.g. this device is lost, please call me at, then apply your phone number, then tap activate. This will lock the device with a passcode, then display your message on the screen and prevent Apple and sensitive data. Then prevent your Apple Pay and sensitive data access. Then keep location tracking enabled. Then track your iPhone or iPad location. Use find my app on another Apple device. Then after that, visit icloud.com/find and log in with your Apple ID. Then check the device last known location and see if it's moving. Then on the step 4, remotely erase your iPhone if necessary. Then if your iPhone is unlikely to be recovered, open find my Apple or go to icloud.com/find, then select your device and tap erase iPhone/iPad. Then this will delete all data remotely while keeping it locked. Then if the device is found later, you can restore it using your Apple ID. Then also on step 5, contact your carrier if stolen. If stolen, call your network provider to block the SIM and prevent misuse. Request them to blacklist the IMEI to make the device unusable. And now your iPhone or iPad is locked and traceable. And that's a simple guide on how to lock iPhone or probably iPad for tracing. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.